everyone. Hey, this is Gary Viney. Listen, I'm here. I wanted to talk to you guys and share some valuable information about SuperAntiSpyware and how it can help you with your Windows PC. Now, this program basically, I've been using this program for over 5, maybe 6 years now, probably more than that. But this program basically is one of the best programs I've seen out there on the internet to pretty much, keep your computer pretty much free and clear of viruses. Now, it is a free program, but it's definitely worth it. I mean, it's free, so it's got to be worth it. But anyway, over 6 years for me using it, I've actually used this program, from working on customers and clients' computers. I always install it on a client's computer because it's a program that actually can save them from some real trouble later on down the line. Now, one thing about this program, though, and I'm going to open it up. Now, I've already installed it. There will be a link below the video here so you can actually download and install it. Matter of fact, let me just show you what you're going to be installing. When you go to the link, you're pretty much going to find SuperAntiSpyware if you want to go search for it. But I'll have the link below the video. But what you're going to see whenever you go to the website is basically a site like this, right? SuperAntiSpyware. Now, notice over 45 million downloads worldwide. So that speaks a lot for a program, right? 45 million downloads, right? And majority of those, I could bet you 90% of those are the free edition downloads. Now, I'm sure there's other people that download these other ones, but for me, and I'm sure majority of these people have downloaded this free edition, right? So if you this is the one you're going to click on to download this particular program, SuperAntiSpyware, okay? All right, so I already have it on the computer. I just wanted to show you where it was to go download. And what you're going to do, once you have it downloaded and installed, now when you go through the installation process, you just make sure you select typical install, or don't choose a custom install, just install it. Now, if it asks you for any banners or anything extra or additional, make sure that you uncheck any of that information that's going to be on the screen. Or if you see anything other than SuperAntiSpyware, like add-ons, like if it's wanting to add on a toolbar or some kind of adware, make sure you uncheck those options. Okay. But what you're going to do, you're going to open it up, and then you're going to go right down here. Okay. You're going to click to check for update. Okay. If there were some updates, you would see this little bar down here. You would see this updating. Okay. This is showing everything is complete. It says wait, download, wait. Please wait while we download and update your database. Well, everything is already up to date. Okay, checking for definitions. Definitions are up to date. Okay, so you're just going to click OK. So once you do that, you're going to come over here to scan this computer. And we're going to scan this computer for frequently unwanted programs. It'll do that, right? And we can do a high boost. I like doing the high boost. Low boost kind of makes it run slower, but high boost, I've already ran on this computer, but it's pretty much going to give you a faster scan, okay? Custom scan, you can scan your computer, that's a custom scan. You can scan particular things inside of your computer. But complete scan is normally what I use. I'll just click complete scan, and it goes through and it says, okay, these are unwanted programs. It doesn't see any. Well, it's actually still going. So basically, it's searching. So the first thing that it does is it looks for the unwanted programs, and then it asks if you want. Right in here, it'll say if you want to get rid of those, you can click get rid of them. So right now, it's doing a high boost scan. All right, a high boost scan. And while that's running, I'm going to come back to you here in a few moments, and when it ends, I will continue with the tutorial that I'm giving you over SuperAntiSpyware. Another thing, guys, on this, before I leave you for a moment, SuperAntiSpyware is pretty much for PC users. Many of you who are if you're online marketers, if you're online doing anything and you have a PC, now many online marketers have Macs, and there are some other tools to use inside of a Mac. I may post that on a later date, for the Macs. But anyway, there are a lot of people, majority of people have PCs, and they need to be running some type of programs to pretty much keep their computer free and clear of viruses. And this is one of the first ones that I definitely recommend. I have some other ones that I will be sharing on some later videos, but you definitely want to, first and foremost, download this particular program so you can actually start using it and keeping your computer free and clear of viruses, potential threats, and things like that. Okay, so while that's running, I will be back here in a few moments. All right, so our program's finished. So what we're going to do now is once the program finishes, we're going to see where it says threats detected 8. So we're going to click continue, and then you'll make sure if there's anything under here, which it's found 8, so that's 8. And we're going to hit continue. Okay, the SuperAntiSpyware cannot clean tracking cookies while your internet browser is running. You can close your browser manually on SuperAntiSpyware, or you can close it for you. Do you want SuperAntiSpyware to close it for you? No, we don't want to close them because right now we're using the internet to connect to this computer. But if you, in any other case, you would go ahead and have it close the internet and clean it out for you. So it says threats complete. Hit continue, and now your computer is clear of viruses. Okay. Now, it doesn't hurt to run this program maybe more than once. If you run it more than once, it'll find more things. So that's it'll be a good thing to run it more than once. I'd recommend that you run it more, maybe 3 times at least, and go through that same process that I went through a while ago. And whenever it comes up, I'm going to close it again, but whenever you open it up, okay, when you open it up, you're going to actually go here and search for updates, okay? If it says all complete right there, you're good, but if it has a little bar moving, where it's filling up, you want to go ahead and let it update to the new definitions that are required to pretty much keep your computer free and clear. Now, when it says definition update, what that means is basically it has to be updated with the new type of infectious spyware that's out there. So you have to make sure you update it. And this program, guys, you have to run it manually. The paid version, I think it can run automatically with this right here. But like schedule scanning and all that, see, all that's part of the paid part. But if you want something free, hey, it's just cool. You can click the link below the video and get this particular piece of software to take care of your computer, guys. And if you like this information, definitely click the other information that's in here. You'll like it as well. So click the other link that's in this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Hope you got some value out of this, especially you guys who have been having some problems with your computers. A lot of gurus out there may already have Macs. People who are pretty successful on the internet will have, if they're doing internet marketing and things like that, they're going to have probably a MacBook or a Mac Pro or an iMac. But there's also programs to run in those. But one thing about it, guys, PCs are more vulnerable to get viruses. So majority of people do have just PCs. And I just wanted to share this information, and I hope you get a lot of value out of it. And like I said, click the link that's below this video to download this specific software. And if you like that, you can definitely click the other link that's within this video. So, guys, hope to see you on the inside. You guys have a good one, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks.